I love this little ratchet gun, and have used it lots now. However, the first time I got it, it seemed to struggle to remove wheel nuts. I brought a new battery thinking it must have been an issue and still struggled. Then after talking to Makita support, they said the new battery would take 6 power cycles to build the full voltage. Anyway, after about a week of trying, the gun now seems to no longer have an issue with wheel nuts using either battery, so maybe my unit needed a bit of a break-in before it could fully perform. The stubby length of the unit lets you get into some places other guns might struggle with. Nice compact tool with plenty of torque. It removes wheel nuts with no problem and even managed to remove a rear hub nut on a wheel bearing change which was presumably torqued up to 175 feet-pound when last changed. Now I am impressed with that. I really did not expect it to do that. Expensive, but you get what you pay for. I don't know about the reliability, but I have a few other Makita items and they have served me well over the years. I certainly am happy with this. Hi there, I've had this a year and think I can give my qualified opinion on this wrench. I'm a plumber, but I do a lot of pipe fitting as well, working on LTHW, CHW and domestic stainless for those in the know. It's light, small, so handy for getting in tight spaces, and if you're working with bolts using a 30mm socket you should be fine. However, anything bigger than that, 32 or 36mm sockets, it struggles, and I've generally had to finish off with spanners, in which case getting the more powerful version might be a better idea if you're working on that size. Click link in description for more reviews.